Today I am going to show dry fruit smoothie for cancer patients, autoimmune disorder patients and obesity patients to take as a breakfast. Since in these three segments of the health disorders, I am advocating 100% monkey diet, uncooked diet, and it's having highly nutritious, easily digestible protein and minerals and all other requirement whatever body is required. And now I will show you walnut, almonds, cashew nuts, chia seeds, roasted chickpea, pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds. So all these things has to be mixed together with half a cup of water and get pasted in mixer. Now I am going to add all these ingredients to make best dry fruit smoothie. This is chia seeds, half tablespoon, walnut 3, five soaked cashew nut, 5 soaked almond, 1 tablespoon pumpkin seeds soaked one, and 1 tablespoon sunflower seeds soaked one, chickpea roasted one, 2 tablespoon, and water half a cup to 1 cup. See, this is dry fruit smoothie. It looks like almost milk only. It's having rich nutritious value, and once you drink this 1 glass smoothie, 2 to 3 hours you won't feel to have any food.